Stop posting dead images. This one camera button turns any image into an animation in seconds. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to canva.com/AI. So I already have an account with Canva. So the next thing you want to do is go to image below, okay, and make sure that the ratio is 16:9. And then over here, we're going to type in walking cartoon chicken with legs. Then click enter. Okay, so here are the images that Canva gave us. Just click on the one that you want. So I'm going to select this one right here. I'm going to select that, and as you can see, it pulled it up. I'm going to use this in Canva's editor at the top, so I'm going to click on it. All right, and you'll see it open it up for me. You're going to click on the image, and you're going to click on edit at the top, and then image to video. You're going to click on that, and then click generate 3 seconds video. And you can see Canva is analyzing the image, okay? And so you can see this is the video that Canva gave us at the top. If you didn't like the video, you can easily come down here and generate again, all right? And once again, Canva is analyzing the image. Okay, here's the video Canva gave us. I do like this one better. So I'm going to go ahead and click add video to design. And you see it's working. Okay, so here it is right here. Here's the video. And go to share and download it as a video, as an MP4 video download. Okay, guys, we're right back at the beginning. This time we're going to do a walking cartoon man. I already have the image selected and the ratio is 16:9. Once again, hit enter, okay? Okay, so these are the images that Canva gave us. Let's check them out. I already selected my image in Canva editor. Once again, go to edit and click on image to video. And click on generate 3 seconds video. Okay, guys, so it's done creating our video. We're going to click on add to video design. Okay, guys, so this does look pretty good to me. It Canva did what I asked it to do. Once again, click on share and the download. So guys, that's how you create a quick Canva video. Very simple, guys. So if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.